Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to fix error code 0x800b0109 in Windows 7. This common issue usually points to a problem with a file's digital signature, often encountered during system updates or software installations. Our first step involves using a built-in diagnostic tool to scan and repair corrupted system files, which can often resolve the underlying cause of this error. Let's get started with the initial troubleshooting. To run the system file checker, first open the Start menu, type CMD into the search bar, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. In the command window, type sfc/scanno and press Enter. This process will scan all protected system files and replace corrupted ones with correct versions. Be patient, as it can take anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes. Once completed, please restart your computer to apply any changes. If the system file checker doesn't resolve the issue, your next step is to install the System Update Readiness tool. You can find this tool on Microsoft's official website. It's crucial to download the correct version for your Windows 7 operating system, either the 32-bit or 64-bit edition. This tool helps fix problems that might prevent Windows updates and service packs from installing. After installation, remember to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Should the error persist, consider manually downloading and installing the specific update that's causing the problem. You can locate these update packages on the Microsoft Update Catalog website. Simply search for the update number and download it directly. Additionally, ensure your system is free from malware and check for any recently installed software that might be conflicting. If these steps don't work, reaching out to Microsoft support or a qualified technician is your best course of action.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.